d, take it from the body, plus d. So you put equals if open parenthesis, and then you put a comma, and then you put what happens if the condition is true. And then you put another comma, what happens in that cell if the condition is false. So the command is I'm surprised you didn't learn that from the comma. Equals if condition what goes in the cell is true, what goes in the cell is false.
Why don't you just press FX and then it shows it for you? Make sense? And then do it.
But then you have to figure out all the things that it says there. I'm distilling it for you, the important things here. I mean, it's a bit logical test, value true, value false, but. So, if true, what do we have? If it's less than t naught plus d, what should be equal to? Oh, I need a why not. Guys, let's make 3 and a why not. All right, I'll get back to it. Let's put 0, 0 and I'll fix it, just to allow me to escape. Okay, I need a why not. So let's put a why not here. And that is equal to the average of, I took the first four, I'll be considering the first four.
Average of what? First four.
I already did it once, so the same average I used in B1. And name it. So highlight the two, create from selection, let's go. So create, name why not, and average, here's the formula, average, I average the first 4 values. I average the first 5, okay? Even the first 6 will be okay with that.
Can I see the formula for the DU?
DU, I just type minus 4.
Oh, then is there a formula for the Y?
Yes.
Okay. Can I just put this?
It's the new steady state minus the reference state.
Okay.
Okay? So let's go back to the model. So, if t is less than t naught plus d, what should be y?
115.
Read it up there. Why not, right? So, we put why not. Click the value for why not. Elsewhere, if it's false, if it's less, if it's not less, what should it be? Read from 4 stars. Should be y naught plus k. Click the value for k. Times. Click the value for du. Times. Open parenthesis. 1 minus exp. Open parenthesis. Minus. Open another parenthesis. T. Minus. Open another parenthesis. T naught plus the delay. Close that parenthesis there. Close the parenthesis before the minus. Close the parenthesis of the exponential. No, no, I shouldn't have closed the parenthesis of the exponential. After the parenthesis for, we are right at the minus, the green parenthesis, divided by tau. Oh, tau cannot be 0, guys. I have to pick a different initial guess. Yeah, it cannot be 0. This thing goes up as 0. I have to pick a different value.
Pick one.
I'll click on it, which will give me problem. Okay, but let's the formula is going to be correct. So tau, now close the parenthesis for the exponent, and now close the parenthesis for the one is closed. I think that's it. Let me change the d value to something like, I don't know, 10. Yeah? Oh. No. Do I miss anything? Oh yeah, the if parenthesis. I forgot the if parenthesis. So yeah, you need one more parenthesis, the if parenthesis. Okay. So now obviously you have division by 0, change the tau to something, I don't know, 5, 10, whatever. Put that. Change the tau to 10, okay, so that doesn't work. So this is how you code an if statement in Excel. Mika.
Dylan, D underscore and tau are named, right? Should be named, right?
Everything should be named, yes. If you click on the values, it will put the name. If you have named them and you click on the values, it types the name. This is a sure way to know the real name. Let me make sure that I have everything correct. D minus D naught plus D. And that divided by tau with a minus in front for the whole thing. The exponent is the purple, the 1 minus is the red, and the if is the black. Yeah, that's it. Who needs more time? Okay. I want to make sure that everybody's okay. Megan, is everything okay? Hunter, okay?
Is there a formula for tau?
Is there what?
Is tau has a formula or no?
No, I just put the initial guess. Tau and D just have initial guesses. But obviously, since we're dividing by tau, okay?
We have tau on right there.
And I have to make a correction. I said something incorrect earlier. For this, it's not linear regression, it's non-linear regression based. The parameters don't appear linearly. They appear linearly only in the form that we give in the 3-point method. So that's non-linear regression, not linear regression. What we're doing. Okay? So if you put linear regression in your notes, please correct it. It's non-linear regression. When it's more time. Okay, let me copy it down. You'll know if you did it correctly if you get the same numbers I got. So, fast way to copy it down, just form the cross and then double click.
Oh, I missed it.
So 60, for example, should show 142.23. Is that what you're getting?
Yes.
Okay. So, we assume parameters for tau and D. And with those assumed parameters, we created what the model would do. Andrea, question?
No, I didn't get it.
Okay, let me go back to the formula.
It might be so loud.
Here.
You guys might be making
I can stay after class and help you, but okay, let me give you 3 more minutes. Let me. Felix, you're not getting it? Okay, let me quickly see your formula.
You put your T note, I don't understand this. Just T note. Oh. Your name something T note?
Oh, because when you copy it down, you have to name this.
Yeah, you must have named something T note.
Or put dollar signs.
Oh, okay, good. Put the value for tau there, something different than 10. Okay, copy that.
You got it?
Well, no, I think.
Okay, good.
Everybody okay, guys? Selena okay?
Can I see the formula for tau?
Mohammed okay? Oh, it's a free computer.
This is the one with that.
It's Y over D. Okay.
This class is very important to have computer. You need to have computer in this class. All right. Error squared. Next, we create a column which is EI squared. What's the error? The error is the difference between measurement and experimental minus measurement. Actually, this is experimental minus measurement, but it doesn't make a difference because we're squaring. So equals, click on the experimental, minus model, and raise it with the current square. And then copy down the error square. Okay? All right. Now we need to create a performance measure. Let me do it the way we're going to say it. Let me write it here. J. Our performance measure is what? It's the sum of all the errors squared. Everybody okay on the error? Don't go too fast.
I don't know why I'm getting so weird.
Mika, say again.
At 81, what's the error? No, 85, what's the error?
0.667. Really.
What is that J coming from?
I just typed it.
Okay.
That's my performance measure. I'm going to continue, but I should stop the question. Are you okay, Mika?
It's more like, oh yeah, I think I realized I did it wrong.
You know what?
For some reason in my model, I have 150 but everything else is there.
Just copy over from something that is okay. Yes, Andrea?
She, it's hard to format already.
Huh?
But she like not giving us already. You are looking on.
Class is canceled.
All right, I'm giving the class a 6-minute break. Those of you who need to show me, show me.
Oh, it was just because that's, we did competition for
You okay now? Put this out, bring this out. Obviously, you don't have that. Oh, that's the one.
essentially where we're actually that like how
Understand? The moment that you say an address, it's a relative address. When you copy, change it. You need to name it.
He hasn't
Take
been.
an alphabet address, or take an alphabet.
You can see they've actually shrunk it down to this sort of 1-inch cube size. It looks
First of
basically
all,
just like a
go to
rice together.
just under it.
Go
Go to.
like you get to say like
Go to name. Find it.
Dude, that's insane. This camera that made it so. Look at that.
Oh, that's cute.
That's sick.
It's waterproof.
Which one do I have? 3. Fuck.
How much is the bathroom?
$2.
$2?
That's pretty good for like how small it is.
Oh, we don't have.
No, don't delete. When you have the OA, click on the value of this. On the value of this. See, now it's the name. What's supposed to be there? Why not? So delete that. Click on the value of line thing. Click there. Click the value of line. Similarly, what's supposed to be follow the formula up there, clicking on the value that's applied. And then you can copy. When it's out. Everybody else okay?
For like money being considered with he made $220 million on that fight.
I don't know what you
And,
what
the fuck?
Everyone felt that fight. He got
Oh my god.
They were showing how like
This is quite important, so that's why I take the time everybody's waiting. What do you mean?
That's crazy. That whatever company built that fence did a good job. Because that fence wasn't made well. You had probably went like
Oh, this is my understanding for delay. No wonder. But then I get the delay. That's why.
There's an article that talks about someone more than the market.
All right, let's move on. Okay, now we created the arrow squared. Now we create our performance measure. So I put it somewhere. I put the J right next to it so that we know what it is. Equals. What's that? That's the sum of all the arrow squared. So type sum, open parentheses, and select all the arrow squared. So in my case, D6 through D26.
150. What?
144 is what I'm getting.
184.
Let me make it a little bit bigger so we can also. It's the sum of all the arrow squared. And if you put all the days, if you didn't put all the days, it would be close to it. Make like you didn't put all the numbers, so it's going to be close. I mean, it's going to be a different number, but the net result is going to be close.
I did not get that, and I've been matching everything else.
You didn't get 184.4?
I have no. Everything else looks.
You got the arrow squared, the
Yeah.
same I got, including 140, minus 7.
The beginning ones match, but I'll talk to you after class about it.